and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can assign a template to content. If you want to create an article, you first have to create a category in here with content category and new category, and then you create an article. And this is a new article that I just created. You click on new article and you add some content in it, just for the example here. And then you create a menu item, main menu. You click on new and you create an article. And then you go to the extensions templates. And if you want to assign a certain template, for example the purity comes with different styles here. So if you want a certain style, you go here, pick the corporate one, and make sure the current style is set to corporate, the purity is on corporate and default is on all. You click on assignment and you make sure this is all the menu items that you want to be corporate have to be selected here. So, and if you want the top, if you want the banner to appear or the slideshow to appear, you have to go to the model items, close, you go to the slideshow, okay, we are in the wrong thing, extensions, models. This is the slideshow here. I've already been searching for it, but you can find it by looking for the position slideshow. And it's now appearing in the home because I've already make it to show the slideshow. But now I also want it in the just a test page. And to do that, I go to menu assignment and I select just a test. I click on module and you have to make sure it is published, but I've already created this, so it's published. And I click on save. Now I go to the just a test page, and now the just a test page also contains a slideshow. It's also possible to make a different slideshow appear. To do that, you click save as a copy. Now this one is unpublished, and then you just make one selected and you use the other one for the other slideshow. But if you want to use it, make sure you don't use the two slideshows on one page. But it's possible to create separate slideshows for each page. Now in this page by purity, you can see the corporate layout. For example, there is a footer, the footer 2, the footer 3, footer 4 and footer. So those are all models. How do you create a model? Well, we are in the models. Just see if there's any example stuff here. Here is actually the footer 1. Menu assignment. You only have to select them, like you can see. Save and close. Footer 2. Menu assignment. Click on save. Then I click on refresh. So these are the modules. Purity has the Joomla art by Purity has a quick launch, but you have to make sure you publish the module on, or you get the assignment. So you have to go to menu assignment and select where you want the modules to appear and where you don't want them to appear. Go to 3, menu assignment, click on save and close. Go to 4, menu assignment, okay. Go to 5. This is just how much footers you need. You might not need 5 footers, so you can unpublish some. It's just an example of what you can do. So now I'm going to refresh. Now the footers appear here. I'm going to show you here. These are the footer 1, footer 2, footer 3, footer 4. So I hope you liked this tutorial, and I hope you will come back to my channel soon to watch more of my tutorials.